All right, day 5. We're still here in May, but today finally there's a bit of progress. Miguel went to Chetumal to pick up the engine head from the machine shop, so hopefully later today he'll be back, and tomorrow we can start putting everything back together. At this point, we're just ready to get going again.
Kai
It's
Nero.
been a very long few days, and we actually started naming all the bugs that are in the shack we're living in.
Here's Kai Nero. Where's Kai? There he is.
Well, tomorrow might be the day. Hopefully, we are back on the road.